for checking the firewall. So we have give the command ufw, then enter. Then it is said at install. Then we have to press yes for install and y. So here it is. We have to give an here password. Okay. Then it is installing now. Please wait. In this way, we install these command. Here it is installing successfully. Okay. We have to type the command sudo ufw status status status. It is inactive, so we have typed this enable sudo ufw enable then enter. So it is enable the condition of firewall sudo ufw ufw status enter. This is active state. Okay, then we type here it is again inactive state, so we have give the command sudo ufw disable able disable then enter. Then stop and disable on the startup. So we check again sudo 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 status, then it is in active state. Thank you. This is all about of firewall. Thank you.